Yesterday, its imported terminology which will be used in thermodynamics, and how does it gives us necessary information to live in respiratory, living process, heating process, cooling process, and that is of thermodynamically expressions here. Yesterday we have also defined how does thermodynamic chemistry, which is mainly concerned the conversion of heat energy to other kinds of energy, rotational, vibrational, translational, and chemical energy, and physical and chemical changes actually have been observed here, and the essential term which will be used, terminology, symbols which will be used to define, to derive, to explain thermodynamic equations yesterday. Now I will deliver today, I will proceed today the next part of thermodynamics, this terminology used here. In the case of here, that is of first one, that is of system. System yesterday we have defined here, we have delivered yesterday. System, the device which actually has been chosen here, selected here for theoretical and practical consideration. This whole is known as that is of systems, and the rest part in the universe is known as surrounding. Two important terminology we have explained yesterday. Third one, that is of boundary. In order to define the boundary, that is the wall, that is the resistance which separates from system from that is of surrounding, it is known as that is of boundary. Now let us proceed this thermodynamics topics further. The kinds of that is of system, kinds of system. First of all, first type classification in the series of kinds of system. First one, that is of open system. Open system, in order to define open system, I may assume here that we may consider here, first of all, this hot beaker may be considered here as a device. Just I have caught in my hands. Let us suppose this, in order to explain that open system, this beaker is now just equals to the device treasure in my hand. This vessel may be called here as that of small box, or that is of container as that is of system. System, in this vessel, a small container, a small box which acts as the play of system, and we fill that is of chalk, here chalk to act as the molecules of that is of water molecule here. In order to define that is of mass and that is of systems here, the small container here, open system is the system in which the m for mass, E for that is of energy or heat of the surrounding is directly in contact. Indirectly it is equilibrium of that is of mass and heat of the what systems. In other words, we can say open system is the system in which mass and heat is directly in equilibrium. Equilibrium means that is of to change in that is of to vary is known as open system. Hence open system We have assumed here, we have supposed here, we are taking here the small container, small kitty, small box we have assumed here as compared to that is of hot water. This hot water vessel is now containing here. We fill hot water inside. The outer that is of space we are having two important physical quantities, that is of M and E. M denotes here mass of the surrounding, E denotes the heat or energy of the surrounding. Similarly, inside the stomach of this beaker, M denotes the mass of the system, E denotes the E energy of the system. If mass for both heat, mass and energy of that is of surrounding and system are in equilibrium, the system is known as that is of open system. It can be explained by drawing in figure number 1. Equilibrium is to change mass, both mass and energy or heat. For both system and surrounding are changing, it will be categorized as that is of open system. Now second one type, that is of closed system. In this closed system I am using here as that is of a coaster here, this one as that is of a coaster here. Now it's this vessel, this small container, it now acts the role of that is of closed system. In the case of figure 2, it has been clearly shown here. I am keeping down, I put down, it has been totally covered by that is of coaster or that is of a plate or a sheet. In this case here, suppose I pour the small container of this system, it will be totally clear here. You know that M will not be the transfer here, M will be the as such. M will not be the equilibrium, M will not be the change from both the surrounding and that is of system. But we know that here, the automatically after 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes, automatically heat, just we have assumed here of the system will be totally that is of change here. Suppose the temperature of 70 degrees Celsius after 5 minutes or 6 minutes or 10 minutes as reaction is performing here, automatically temperature will be reduced here. I mean to say that is of both system and surrounding will be that is of equilibrium here. Hence closed system is the system in which mass for both system and surrounding and system is not in equilibrium, not is changing here. Automatically it is clear, it is evident here. I pour the whole vessel, automatically the chalk present inside will not be the change, will not be the come out. So automatically here the M for surrounding and system, it will be not be that is in equilibrium here, while automatically E, that energy or heat which denotes for the surrounding, it will be definitely that is of changing. I mean to say closed system is the system in which M for both surrounding and system are not in equilibrium, while E will be definitely in equilibrium here for system and that is of surrounding here. Now in the case of that is of insulated system, in order to explain this insulated system, how we define insulated system, suppose inside the surface of this container in this system we have assumed here, suppose we coat down insidely, we totally view coat insidely, that is of insulated process here. In this case, in the case of, it can be explained by using a figure 3, that is of a thermos flask in which neither M for both system and surrounding will not be the change here. So we are using for lunch box here for 1 hour, for 2 hour, for 3 hour inside of our food, the temperature will be still remains the constant, neither energy will come out, neither energy, not mass, not evolve will release, not will be indirectly in contact of for both surrounding and that is of a system here. And insulated system is the system in which mass and E for both system and surrounding and system will not be the change. It will be third kinds, that is of insulated system. Now that is of fourth one. We are going to define here that is of fourth one, homogeneous system. Homogeneous system is the system in which reactant and that is of product which are present in the same state here. Here hydrogen, 1 mole of hydrogen reacts 1 mole of I2 to produce here twice mole of HI, H2 and I2, H2 present in gaseous state, I2 is present here gaseous state, means twice HI is present here to here, that is of gaseous state. I think product and reactant are present here in reactant form in that is of gaseous form, hence it will give the essential information, means that is of reactant and product or system is available in uniform state, in uniform phase, only single phase is produced here, it will be known as that is a homogeneous system. Homogeneous system, single phase is produced here. Similarly, second one example, 1 mole of N2 reacts 1 mole of here O2 to produce twice mole of that is of NO. The whole system in produce here at that is of a single state. Single phase is now produced here. It will be known as homogeneous system. Next one, that is a heterogeneous system. Heterogeneous system is the system in which reactant and product are present in that is of different state. Here NH3, 1 mole of NH3 reacts 1 mole of Cl to produce twice mole of NaCl. NH3 present here gaseous state, HCl is present in gaseous state, and NH4Cl is present in solid state. So one can say it is the well-known example of a heterogeneous process. Now next topic we are going to define that is of a property of the system. Property of the system, in order to define the property of the system, how we will define property of the system, the property of the human being as that is of land, money. But in the case of property of the systems, one can classify, which will be realized by these of senses, our nose, our eye, our ear, our hands. So it can be defined as the property of the system here. Listen to me once again here. Property of the system one can define here, which can be realized by the senses, just like mouth, just like eye, ear. It will be categorized, it will be defined as property of the system. There are two important property of the systems in thermodynamics do exist here. First one, that is of extensive property. Extensive properties are those properties which are depending upon that is of mass and independent upon that is of a nature here. Depending upon mass and independent upon nature, all that is of kinds of energy in which having the mass directly or indirectly, one can categorize the example of that is of extensive property gives free energy, enthalpy, entropy, S Helmholtz free energy, U or E that is of internal energy, and that is of kinetic energy and potential energy. One can categorize, one can classify as example of, as illustration of extensive property. Extensive properties are those properties dependent upon mass but independent upon nature. All the kinds of energy of the universe which are directly or indirectly associated depending upon mass, one can categorize, one can define. Maybe the well-known example as that is of extensive property gives free energy, enthalpy, entropy. A here as that is of Helmholtz free energy, internal energy, kinetic energy, potential that is of energy. Second types of property of the system I would like to define to you today, that is of intensive property, just reciprocal of that is of intensive property. Intensive properties are those properties dependent upon nature but independent upon mass. All the physical quantity regarding state variable that is of temperature, by knowing, by realizing in that is of surface contact directly, externally. So this property will be illustrated as that is of intensive property. Temperature, surface tension, viscosity, externally our senses realize directly without applying any that is a chemical or physical test. In our preliminary idea, we may identify about the natural, basic conceptual, physical properties, chemical properties of any that is of physical quantity that will be classified, that will be included into that is of intensive property. Temperature, that is of surface tension, viscosity, deflection, and that is of interference. These are the such property depending upon that is of nature but independent upon that is of mass. Now we will discuss tomorrow about the state and path function, which plays the important role to proceed the thermodynamics tomorrow. Thank you very much.